Hello. These videos I'm going to show you how to use auto delete file in recycle bin when startup computer. Do you have trouble deleting files one by one or all of them from your computer's trash? It really saves you a lot of time on it. In this video, I will show you how to set an auto delete file in recycle bin when start up a computer. Let's go. I would like to show the deleted files and fall into the recycle bin. You see, these are the files. Copy this code on description. Click copy. Go to find Notepad on Windows search. Open Notepad. Paste code into Notepad. Select file. Click Save. Type auto delete recycles bin.bat. Click Save. Then go to find Run on Windows search. Type shell. Startup. Click OK. Copy bat file or cut bat file. Paste into startup. Close startup. Go to restart the computer. Wait, computer is clearing recycle bin. Okay, now it's finished. I go to find my recycle bin to show you again. Empty file in my recycle bin. Thank you for watching.